Good morning, first grade. I hope everybody had a nice evening and is having a good day so far. For our first activity this morning, we're actually going to be asking the first graders to take what is called the STAR reading assessment. And it is one of our beginning of the year assessments that we use in first grade. And I know you have the one-on-one appointments today scheduled with either Ms. Keene or Mrs. Tarasi, but this is just an additional measure that we use to start off the year and just give us a baseline for where everybody is. So I just wanted to walk you through the steps for logging in and finding the STAR reading assessment. So you will look in your first graders testing folder on their iPad. So my understanding is they have a math, a reading, and then there should be a folder titled testing. And in that testing folder, you should find an icon that looks like this on the screen, accelerated reader. You could tap on that, and then it should take you to this screen where you'll want to click I'm a student. And then once you tap I'm a student, it will bring you to this login page. And the login information for Star Reader was sent on the tech cheat sheet that I had emailed home on Friday afternoon. So at the top of that page, there were the rainbow colored columns with some of the different apps. Star was one of the apps on that page. But if you're having any trouble or you're unsure of the login information for Star for your first grader, please just let me know. But it is on that document. So once you put in their login credentials and tap login, it will take you to a screen that should look like this. And where I have the green box, you should see your first grader's name in that area. So I blanked it out here, but you should see your first grader's name. And then you'll just want to tap on the blue box that says Star Reading. Now, once you do that, it will bring up this next screen and it will ask you to enter a monitor password. The monitor password for everyone is admin, A-D-M-I-N. Once you do that, you'll be able to hit start. And then grown-ups at home, this is where if you could provide a little assistance for this first part, a practice test will start. And it's generally 3 questions. But if you could please help your first grader answer the practice test. If the questions on the practice test are answered incorrectly, it will lock the student out of being able to take the actual test. So it's just a couple of questions, and then it will signify to you when the practice test is about to start, when it's complete, and then when the actual test starts. And for the actual test, grown-ups, we're asking that you not read the questions to your child and just let them try to do their best. This is a self-adjusting test, and there will be questions that will be challenging for them, and there will be things that they may not be able to read at this point. But we're just asking to just encourage them to please do their best. There may be things that they don't know, just try their best, and just let them read it as best they can and answer the question. So it's a variety of sentences filling in the blank, vocabulary, some short passages, and again, just asking if you could just encourage them to try their best and to not read it to them. And let me know if you have any trouble, any questions, and thanks so much for your help on this. And again, just reach out if you need anything at all, and have a great day.